If you live in a country where $500 to $1,000 a month in income is a lot of money, this video is for you because I really believe that anybody can make that kind of money online if they're working at it full time, like literally anybody. The problem is nobody's telling you guys how to do it. I usually make videos on teaching people how to make like 100 or two, like 10 or $20,000 a month, and I just really think you guys could use this content so much more. So I'm going to show you, I've got 3 ways that I think literally any of you could make that kind of money. I just had a guy reach out to me in Colombia yesterday, and he told me if he made $700 a month, he would be rich. And I want to help you guys out because literally anybody can do that online. I just don't think anybody's teaching you how to do it. So I've got these 3 ways that you're going to make money, and I'm going to show you step by step each one of these ways, as well as like actual examples of people I hired and people who are doing it. If you guys like this content, this is the first video I've ever produced like this. So if you guys like this, please comment and let me know because I won't know any other way if you want more videos like this. So the first way that you can make money from home, like $1,000 a month, is to actually provide services to other people. I just hired a guy in India. He told me where he lives that $300 a month is a good amount of money, and I paid him $300 to do some work for me. And he says he has two other clients, so he's making $1,000 a month in a place where $300 a month is a lot of money. So I mean that's what you can do here, and it doesn't take that long to ramp up to that level. So the first service you can provide to people is Instagram content. Okay. Let's go take a look at my Instagram because this is one of the things he's actually doing for me. Right here, every day I'm paying him some money. I'm paying about $100 a month just to post every day one of these posts, okay? And what you could do, and that's it. I mean, all he's doing is posting like quotes and stuff, something that he's posting. He's probably posting these same pictures for multiple clients, honestly. But I don't have any problem with that. I like what he's posting, and that's what I wanted. So what I recommend, let me show you the rest of these ways. Okay, we've got YouTube thumbnails. Let me walk you through how you actually go about and get these clients, because so many of you are getting on like Upwork.com, and you're getting on Upwork and you're actually trying to get jobs that way. Okay, that is not the way you should go and try and get people to hire you. You should go out and provide value for people before to get them to hire you. So what I mean by that is, let's come back here. You want to do Instagram content for people. I want you to go get a couple posts like this, okay? Go get 4 or 5 posts, and it's even better if they're targeted towards the people that you want to get. Go out, send a DM to every single one of them. Send a DM to 50 people and say, hey, send a DM to 50 different people in the entrepreneur niche and say, hey man, I really want to start getting into Instagram marketing. I noticed that you've got great content, and I've got some things here that I think you might be interested in. And just give them all 5 of those images, okay? Do it for all 50 people. You will have a couple of them come back and say, wow, that's really what I wanted. I'm so happy you did this, okay? The goal is to provide value to these people first, and then they will hire you, okay? When it comes to providing YouTube thumbnails for people, okay? Right now I have a lawyer who's paying me pretty decent money to actually design his thumbnails for him, also to do his optimize his YouTube videos, okay? This is stuff that you guys could do from any country, and there's a lot of people out there, especially in these well-paid niches like lawyers and real estate agents and doctors. They've got content, but they suck at thumbnails. Look at this guy right here. He's got 43,000 subscribers, and his thumbnail is awful, okay? Awful. So what you should do in this situation is find a bunch of people that have a decent amount of subscribers, or they're up and coming, they just started. Actually go take their content and design a thumbnail for them and say, hey, I noticed this is what your thumbnail looks like. Here's another option. I really am passionate about designing thumbnails. I wondered maybe if you'd be interested in working and having me do some work for you. And when you come to them and have stuff already there for them, they can see the quality of your work. You're not trying to sell to them. You're providing value. That's how you get people to hire you. If somebody had done that to me and said, hey man, here's a thumbnail for you. I'd love to do your thumbnails for you. I'd be like, awesome. I hate doing thumbnails. So I mean, I've already hired. So I mean, I already hired some guy to do this. The guy I paid $330 a month to, but um, this is the stuff that you should do to get clients like this, and you can easily get clients to pay you. I'm telling you, it's so easy to make $500 to $1,000 a month to do this. I mean, look at this guy. Look at this thumbnail. This guy right here is 42K views, and his thumbnail's not very good either. Okay, so there's a lot of people like this that have pretty garbage thumbnails that really they could use somebody like you to do thumbnails. Okay, especially in the entrepreneurship niche, because that's where people have more money. Also, video editing. I tell you, if you ever see somebody who is editing videos and they have like a real channel, like if you think my videos suck, my editing sucks in my videos, please download the video from YouTube. Download my video from YouTube, edit it yourself, make it look way better, and then send me a link, okay? And if you do this, okay, promise you, none of these editors, none of these YouTubers want to edit their own videos. I promise you, like 3% of them do. If you do that and you actually have good edits, people will hire you, okay? If they don't have to go through the legwork to find you, they're going to hire you just to do that, okay? I already have somebody editing my videos, so you're a little late to that game, but there's so many other YouTubers out there you can do that for. Amazon product research. This is what my channel is normally about. For those of you who understand Amazon, essentially what you want to do, I'm telling you, you can do this for anything, okay? Yeah, I could add on here, Shopify product research, okay? There are a million different niches that you can provide value for. So if you find 6 different products that look good on Amazon and you send them to me and I actually think they're good, I will hire you on the spot to do more research for me. I promise you. I'll hire you on the spot to do more research for me, and so will anybody else in the Amazon niche who is like, anybody else in the Amazon niche would do that. Same thing for Shopify, okay? If you have some really great Shopify, if somebody has a Shopify store and you don't think it's really good, send them a message and say, hey, here's 3 things you could really do to help convert your Shopify store better. I'd really like to help you out, okay? I promise you're going to get people to pay you $5 to $10 an hour. And $5 to $10 an hour, at $5 an hour, you're making $800 a month, okay? If they pay you $10 an hour, all of a sudden now you're working, 40 hours a week times 4 weeks. You're making $1,600 a month. So let's talk about affiliate marketing, okay? Because I don't think a lot of you know what it is, but there is so much money in it, especially if you just want $500 a month. So affiliate marketing is when, let's say my friend John is selling a software product. It can be any kind of product, but let's say he's selling a software product, like Jungle Scout, okay? Jungle Scout. This right here is a software product that I see a lot of people doing affiliate links for. And what happens is if somebody buys this product through my link, I get a link, I will actually get a percentage of the money. And I think for Jungle Scout, it's 15%. So if they spend $100, I make $15. And there are ones with much higher commissions. I'm talking 30, 40%. So how I've seen people actually make money doing this is, let me go show you some of this stuff right here. So I just put this post in a YouTube group, in a Facebook group. I wanted to buy a laptop, so I joined a computer group, people who actually understand computers, and I asked them if this was actually a good computer purchase. You can see I got 30 people who commented on this thing, but one of the guys dropped a link right here, and it is actually an affiliate link. So this right here, this is an affiliate link for Amazon. So what happens is if I click this affiliate link right here and I buy this laptop or any other product on Amazon for the next 24 hours, this guy is going to get a percentage of my purchase. And since this is a $1,000 laptop, he would make 2.5%, so $25 just by me buying this laptop. I ended up buying one from another store, but if I had bought one from Amazon, this guy would have made $25 just like that. And all he did was go on Amazon, find 2 computers that were on sale, copy and paste the link, okay? You could do this to like 50 different people a day if you just join a bunch of Facebook groups in these kind of niches. There's just a lot of opportunity to do that. And that guy would have made $25. He almost did, because I almost bought a computer. Other ways to do affiliate marketing, I want you to actually, so we talked a little bit about affiliate marketing. Anytime you can this is the Amazon Associates program, so anybody could sign up for this. So if you see somebody commenting like, hey, I'm thinking about buying a product, send them a link to Amazon and through your affiliate link, and when they click it, you'll get anything they buy, percentage of anything they buy for the next 24 hours. I just don't think a lot of you understand this. Like, let me give you an example. I've got a friend who bought a $4,000 camera, okay, the nicest camera out there. And what did I do? I simply gave her my affiliate link to Amazon, and I got paid 4% of that actual purchase. So on a $4,000 camera purchase, I made $160, and I didn't do anything. I just gave her the link. I just happened to know she was buying a camera. She asked me if it looked like a good camera because I'm a YouTuber, so like I have some camera experience. And that's it. I made $160 just like that. And so if you are connected and you're in these Facebook groups, join Facebook groups for photography where people are buying $2,000 cameras, and then drop links whenever they ask for stuff. Don't just drop links unless somebody asks for stuff, okay? That's part of the key. You need to provide value, and that's how you can make this money. The third way I have that you can actually make money online is to build Facebook and Instagram accounts, okay? And this is very related to affiliate marketing. So let me show you an example right here. This guy right here, not that guy. This guy right here, he started a group called Jungle Scout. And Jungle Scout is a software I was just showing you, and he's trying to, the only reason he created this group is because he's trying to make affiliate commissions. So you can see that right here, he pinned a post that he didn't record himself. Somebody else recorded this. He pinned a link to their thing to actually teach people how to use this software, and he's trying to build a community, okay? Right now he's at 1,000 people. Okay, when he gets up to 5,000, 10,000, if he ever gets up to 20,000 people, he's going to make a lot of money just because people are going to buy Jungle Scout through his link, which he puts in this group. That's it. That's his strategy, okay? And you can see he's getting actual real engagement from people asking questions in his group, okay? Another way you can actually do this is with Instagram accounts, okay? Look at this person who has a Ferrari fan page, okay? Right now, this person did nothing. They don't have any association with Ferrari. You can see they're a fan page only. But all they've been doing for the past probably year or half or whatever is posting Ferrari pictures from other places online. And then they've just been growing and growing and growing their accounts. So now they have 454,000 followers. Do you know how much money a shout-out's worth if you have 454,000 followers? Like a good amount of money. So their strategy is, here's your strategy. Build a Facebook group around something people are passionate about, okay? If we just type in fan page, you can see there's one for Gucci. There's one for Louis Vuitton. Of course, there's one for Louis Vuitton. There's ones for all kinds of things. You can make a fan page around anything. You can make an selling on Amazon fan page. Then you grow up the fan page, and then people will pay you money to actually advertise on your page. You could check out right here. Look at their recent video. Somebody's doing a shout out on their page. They may be paying them, I don't know what shout outs are going for these days, $50, $100 for this shout out. Somebody's paying them money to actually put this link to their website, okay? And this website is not owned by the person who owns this page. Somebody's paying them money to put that link on their page, okay? And that is how they're making money with this fan page, okay? That, and it's kind of cool to have 500,000 followers on your on any page you own. That is pretty cool. So let me show you a couple more things that I think are really cool. Let me go back to my Instagram. So this is how I actually found the guy that I hired to do my editing and to do my Instagram posts. This guy right here, YouTube Growth Hacks, okay? You can see that he literally just created an Instagram account around what he wanted to do. He wanted to do YouTube for people. And so you could see that he's just posted. I'm not even following him, but I saw that he commented on one of my posts or liked one. And so I messaged him because I needed YouTube stuff. And I said, hey man, how much do you charge for YouTube stuff? I'd like to see your work. I'd like to see what you can do. I'm not even following him, but I still sent this guy $300 via PayPal to do this. Like, think if, and this is supposed to be a recurring monthly thing. So as long as he does a good job this first month, I'm going to send him $300 again next month to edit my videos, to do uploads, and then also to do this Instagram stuff. Like, imagine if you got just one person paying you $300 a month, or you got 2 or 3. Like, this guy's not working on my stuff all the time. He's got plenty of time to build out he's got 2 other clients right now. I asked him. So he's probably making it, $500 to $1,000 a month. I don't know how much his other clients are paying him. They could be paying him $100 a month. They could be paying him 1,000. Okay, but what I want you to get out of this video so much is to look for people who need stuff that you can do and offer to do it for them. Show them actually what you can do. Provide them value first. Okay, don't just go and post. Don't just go spam post on people. Hey, I want to do YouTube thumbnails. Please hire me. I want you to go to people, find them that you need YouTube thumbnails, and please send them actual pictures of your work. That is how you get people to actually hire you. That's how you can get almost anybody to hire you if you just play this game. So I really hope this guy helps you out. I really think any of you can make $500 to $1,000 a month and not have to work for somebody else. It doesn't matter what country you're in. This guy right here lives in India, and he's the guy who says that $300 a month is a lot of money where he lives. That's almost nothing in the U.S., but for you guys, that's why I'm making this video. So if this is the content you like, please let me know so I can make more videos like this. I really want to help you guys out. Like, I feel I can help a lot more people out doing this than I can do by making videos on how to make $1,000, like $5,000 a month on Amazon. Because the reality is that just none of you, the people that this video is for, none of you have enough money to start on Amazon. It's not to offend you at all, but you need money to do this. This is stuff you don't need any money to do.